Hey, what is going on YouTube? Mike here, and so today we have the Huawei FreeBuds 3i with us for a quick review. Now these are priced at just around 70 or 80 bucks around the time of this video, and for that price you do get features such as active noise cancelling, IPX4 water resistance, and around 3 to 4 hours of battery life. But are they really impressive when it comes to actual use? Let's take a look. So the FreeBuds 3i come with some pretty nice packaging. Opening the box, you get the earbuds alongside the charging case, and of course these are accompanied by additional accessories which Huawei has nicely packed as well, such as additional ear tips, a USB Type-C compatible charging cable, and some paperwork. So here you do have the charging case, and as with most consumer electronics today, it is made out of plastic. It's got a shiny coating all over, but it doesn't really feel cheap and actually feels nicely built. There is an LED indicator in the front of the case, as well as a USB-C charging port and a single button at the back of the case. It's a bit on the large side though, so you may want to take note of that. On the inside you'll find the earbuds, which have a rather long stem, somewhat similar to the Apple AirPods. To be honest though, I do prefer earbuds which don't have stems on them, but I was excited to use these for the sound quality. Now these do have an IPX4 rating, so they should be safe in light rain or during workouts. They fit rather nicely too and are pretty comfortable in my usage. Overall, the FreeBuds have a minimalist look and design and are quite sturdy. Using the FreeBuds is pretty straightforward. Once you open the case, you can hold the button at the back of the charging case to activate pairing mode, and this connects rather quickly with your device, which I did find to be convenient. Once paired together, it will be able to sync automatically the next time you open the charging case. What makes the FreeBuds easy to use is the fact that you can tap them on the side for different control functions. Tapping twice will play and pause music, as well as answer and hang up phone calls. You can also change what you want the earbuds to do. For example, I've set my left earbud to play and pause music when double tapped, and my right one to play the next track if I double tap on it. It's a very convenient feature which is nice to have. Now to use these customization features however, you'll have to install the Huawei AI Life app on your smartphone, which will then give you software access to the earbuds. Now as far as audio quality goes, the FreeBuds sound great. Comparing them to the Mi True wireless earbuds, which we looked at earlier this year, they have a more full sound. There's a satisfying level of bass, which is rather impressive considering the price of these earbuds, and this can be easily heard if you listen to a lot of bass-heavy music. Mids and highs are decent for the most part, which is another plus. Noise cancellation likewise works well, and this is accessible by tapping and holding on your earbuds. Of course, the feature does have its limitations, like if you're ever outdoors on the street or in a particularly busy part of town, but in general the noise cancellation is rather satisfying. The FreeBuds also come with a feature that will pause music whenever you take them out of your ears, and this can be handy if you're stopping your music to talk to someone beside you and such. The FreeBuds also have an impressive range of connectivity, as they don't easily disconnect when I move between rooms away from my phone. One downside is that there's some minor static sometimes, but this happens seldom and is not at the same level as on cheaper earbuds. Battery life on the FreeBuds is pretty average, and I was usually able to get maybe 2.5 to 3.5 hours of use before needing to charge the earbuds. It takes around an hour to fully charge them, and you can top up some battery for maybe a couple of times on the case before you have to recharge the case itself. Alright, so are these earbuds worth getting? Well, if you are no stranger to Huawei hardware and are looking for an affordable pair of earbuds with good audio quality, then these might be a good match for you. However, the somewhat short battery life and a design reminiscent of the AirPods might not be for everyone, so you might want to take note of that. All in all though, they are a reliable pair of wireless earbuds and I do enjoy using them. As always guys, thanks a lot for dropping by. If you want to see more videos, then head on over to Team VRY here on YouTube. Once again, thanks for watching.